Alright, good people. You waited so patiently. It was the verdict. Fresh cut. A little Caesar real quick. You know what I mean? Be rocking the fitter anyway. You know how I do. Or the unfitted. Rocking any type of hat, but I still, you know what I mean, come through like this. I'm gonna let him grow back a little bit, cause this is a 3. I'm gonna definitely let him grow back a little bit, but he just needs to come off. Dang, my hat size went down. Like, it's like the 3rd, so. Man, I be on my lean with it, rock with it anyway. Like, I ain't really too much worried about it. Like, anyway, yeah, it's different, but different is always good. People gonna be like, "Yo, it's different." Yeah, I know it's different. Different is good, right? It's always good for a change. I feel as though this is what I needed right at this point in time. As far as everything going on in my life. So, this is what I did, and this is what I'm doing. On that note, I'm gone. It's your boy, M-I-Corleone. New Learn As You Grow podcast is out now. Spotify, Apple, wherever you go to listen to your podcast, it's out. And the video will be on YouTube tomorrow. Maybe that's it. I don't know. If you want to see the video version of it, comment. We'll see. Or, matter of fact, just like this joint if you want to see the video version of the podcast. And don't forget the audio is out now on Spotify, Apple. It's titled, so I don't know. But yeah, it's there. I'm out on that note. Corleone. BeatsByTheKilo.com. You know.